Sally the owl finds vegetables. Welcome to the farm, where Sally the owl is on a mission to find some delicious vegetables. Let's join her on this exciting adventure. Sally is ready to start her vegetable hunt. Can you help her find all 10 vegetables?
Yay!
I'm ready to find those veggies.
Woohoo! Let's go!
What's the first vegetable Sally should find? Look, there are bright orange carrots.
Got it! Carrot, coming right up.
See what Sally has got.
Carrot. C-A-R-R-O-T. Carrot. Can you find the name carrot? Good job.
1 down, 9 to go. What's next, Sally?
Let's see. Look! There are red tomatoes.
A juicy red tomato.
T-O-M-A-T-O. Tomato. Can you find the name tomato? Good job.
Keep going, Sally. What else can you find?
Let me spy with my little eye. Look, there's some green beans.
Green beans.
B-E-A-N-S. Beans. Can you find the name beans? Good job.
Halfway there, Sally. Keep up the great work.
I'm on fire. Look, there are cucumbers.
A crunchy green cucumber.
C-U-C-U-M-B-E-R. Cucumber. Can you find the name cucumber? Good job.
Only few vegetables to go, Sally. Can you find them?
Yes! How about that purple eggplant over there?
A lovely purple eggplant.
E-G-G-P-L-A-N-T. Eggplant. Can you find the name eggplant? Good job.
Just a few more vegetables left, Sally.
I'm not giving up now. Look, there are red bell peppers.
A red bell pepper.
B E L L P E P P E R. Bell pepper. Can you find the name bell pepper? Good job.
Good job, Sally. What's next?
Let's see. Look, golden corns.
A golden corn.
C O R N. Corn. Can you find the name corn? Good job.
Just few more vegetables left, Sally.
Yes, let's go. Look, there are brown potatoes.
A hearty brown potato.
P O T A T O. Potato. Can you find the name potato? Good job.
Only 2 more vegetables to find, Sally.
I won't stop until I find them all. See, there's a bed of onions.
A pungent white onion.
O N I O N. Onion. Can you find the name onion? Good job.
You found 9 vegetables, Sally. Can you find the last one?
Yes, I will find it. There it is. A big leafy cabbage.
A big leafy cabbage.
C A B B A G E. Cabbage. Can you find the name cabbage? Good job.
You did it, Sally. You found all 10 vegetables.
I'm going to take them to my nest.
See what Sally has got in her nest?
Carrot. Tomato. Beans. Cucumber. Eggplant. Bell pepper. Corn. Potato. Onion. Cabbage. What an adventure! Thank you for helping me, kids.
Goodbye, Sally. Subscribe for more fun adventures with Sally the Owl.